everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making a Tamil Nadu traditional masala kanji. Kanji means porridge. This which they make during Ramadan. Before I move on to the recipe, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on the recipes posted. Doesn't it look yummy? It is as yummy as it looks. Now let's move on to the recipe. And now to make the kanji, I've taken the rice first. Kanji means porridge, so I'll be preparing the rice porridge first. For that, I've taken Jirga Samba rice, 3/4 of a cup. First, I'll be grinding it, just 2 to 3 pulses. And once you've ground it, you'll get broken rice. It shouldn't be fine powder. It should be like this, a broken rice. This you'll need to wash it, just 2 rinses is enough, and let it rest before you pour off the water, otherwise the whole thing will go down the drain. So now you'll need to just drain it and keep it aside. Now take a big vessel, keep some water for boiling, add in the washed rice and let it cook till it becomes a porridge. Add in salt. I've added 1 teaspoon of salt. Put it on a medium flame and let it cook. In the meantime, when the porridge is getting ready, let's prepare the masala. To prepare the masala, you'll need 1 onion. Here I've taken 1 medium-sized onion, 1 handful of coriander leaves, 1 handful of mint leaves, 2 green chilies, 4 cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger, and 2 tomatoes, small size. If it's medium, take 1, and 250 grams of chicken. You can use minced chicken or you can use minced mutton as well. Today I'll be making with chicken since I don't have minced chicken, using the boneless chicken. Now let's move on. First you need to make the ginger garlic paste. I've taken 4 cloves of garlic, add in 1 piece of ginger and grind it and keep it aside. And next you'll need to chop all the vegetables, that's onions, tomatoes, the mint leaves, coriander leaves and 2 green chilies. I've slit them. Now next you'll need to keep a pressure cooker. I'll be preparing it in a pressure cooker. I've added 2 tablespoons of oil, don't add more. Once the oil is hot, I've taken 2 sticks of cinnamon and 2 cloves, add it to the oil. And next you'll need to put the onions, chopped onions, saute it till it becomes translucent. Add in salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. This makes the cooking process much faster. Now that your onions have become translucent, add in ginger garlic paste and 2 green chilies. You can add 1 more if you like it very spicy, but this is perfectly spiced. Now you need to add chopped tomatoes. Saute it till it becomes a little mushy. And to this you'll need to add the chopped leaves, that's the coriander and the mint leaves. Add them and saute it till you get a nice smell. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. If you want, you can add your red chili powder too, but I don't like it much spicy, so this is perfect with the green chilies. If you like it very spicy, you can add in 1/2 teaspoon of red chili. Into this, add in the chicken breast. If you have the minced chicken, that's much better. Add in a little bit of water, that's 1/2 glass of water, so that it doesn't stick at the bottom, and cook it, pressure cook it for 5 minutes. And now it is pressure cooked. Put the chicken piece and you need to shred it, so it's better buying a minced chicken or a minced mutton. If you don't have any of those, you can use the boneless chicken or the chicken with bone, and you need to shred it like this. And you need to put this in the masala and let it cook for a minute, and then you'll add this to the porridge which is already cooked. And now that you've put the masala into the kanji, that's the porridge, mix it well and let it cook together for around 10 to 15 minutes so that it gets blended well. Keep it on a medium flame and you'll get your yummy kanji within 10 to 15 minutes. This is what you get after 10 to 15 minutes. It has blended well and your kanji is almost ready. You can have it just like this, or you can add in coconut milk or a ground coconut. Today I'll be putting ground coconut. I've ground it into a paste and now I'll be adding it to the kanji. This makes it much more creamier. Mix well and let it cook for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, your kanji is ready. And now you'll need to check for salt. If it's less, add more. Here I've added half teaspoon more of salt. Mix well. And now your masala kanji is ready. This masala kanji is served mostly during Ramadan, and in Chennai this kanji is served in mosques during Ramadan along with the paripu vada, that's the dal vada. It's a super tasty masala kanji or the masala porridge. And for the recipe of the paripu vada, you can look down at the description. I've put the link there. Do try it out and please let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed till now, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until I come back with a new recipe, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.